Hello everyone, we are the Pastoral Group. I am Kyra Shanae Arbansin.
I am Isaiah Retulia.
I am Theodoro Anthony Guido.
I am Lyle Egejon.
Hi, my name is Samak Ajano Ayoman Shahi.
And I'm Cara Pauline Nicole P. Betty. Do you have any problems in your computer? Here's an easy way to find out what the problem is.
Follow along as we disassemble and assemble the computer.
In working, we must always put our safety on top priority. Thus, if you wish to disassemble a system unit, you first need to power it off and unplug it to avoid electrocution before proceeding to the next step. That is, unplugging all external parts of a computer.
We are going to work and tinker with the things inside the case, but it is completely covered, so we need to remove the cover that's covering the internal part. To do that, simply unscrew everything that holds the cover together. After unscrewing it, we should lie the case down for easier access and finally remove the cover. This is how the inside of the computer looks like. It should be easier to access and fix or...
As Lyle said earlier, our safety is the most important when working, so we will be wearing this anti-static wrist strap. It is used to prevent static. What I'm doing is removing the connectors inside the case.
The next we're doing is removing the power supply. To do that, simply undo the screws that hold the power supply in place. Take it out and you're done.
We will remove the hard disk and DVD. To do that, you simply have to unscrew the screws that hold them in place. You might notice that the DVD wouldn't come out because of the motherboard. That is because you have to push it outwards to take it out and not pull it in.
The next thing we do is remove the RAM, heatsink, CPU, and the LAN card. To remove the RAM, we have to push down the slots on the side that hold them together and take them out. To take the heatsink out, we need a flathead screwdriver to push the thing that's holding it down and remove the wire connecting it to the motherboard. To remove the CPU that's right under the heatsink, simply pull the silver clip at the side until it reaches at the very top and take the CPU. Lastly, to take the LAN card out, we need to undo the screw that's holding it in place and take it out.
The final thing we need to do is to remove the motherboard. First thing we should do is remove any wires that's still connected to it. After that, we just need to unscrew and pull it out and it's done.
This is how an empty PC case should look.
And here are the parts and tools used to take them out.
If you've finished inspecting the parts of your computer and are ready to put it back, you start by putting the motherboard back first. To hold it down, simply screw it back and connect the wires connected to it.
Once the motherboard is already on the case, put the LAN card first by pushing it down to its slot. After putting it in its proper place, we just need to screw it tightly to hold it. Next to put back is the CPU. Simply push down the silver clip beside it. The next thing we should put back is the heatsink, which is directly above the CPU. Just like how we pushed the thing that's holding it down with a flathead screwdriver, we need to push it down to hold it in place. Lastly, we need to put back the RAM. To do so, push the RAM down to its slot and pull up the clips up beside holding it.
Just like how we put the DVD out, we should put it back in from the outside. After that, we just screw it in to hold it in place, and the same goes with the hard disk, but we put it from the inside.
To put the power supply back, we should hold it in place and put the screw in place tightly.
The next thing we do is to put all the connectors inside back in their respective places.
Next is to put the cover back and screw it tightly.
To end our work, we should transfer the system unit back to our computer setup and connect all the external parts before plugging it in and turning it on.
And that was all! Were you able to identify the problem in your computer and fix it? If you did, then we are happy for you. Once again, this has been the Pastoral Ministry, and thank you for watching.